Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We have over this topic of complex numbers, perpendicular bisector. So we have given a one loci here given here, one locus given here. Locus is called single thing is called locus. More than one is called loci. So we have one locus given here. We have to draw Argand diagram and find the least modulus of Z. So first of all, you can ask me, sir, how we can know that it's circle or perpendicular bisector? If you look at carefully, Z, we must have some number. This is called, we take common from here. And this is called center of circle. This is called radius. It means Z involves on one side only. On one side only. Okay. But if Z involve on two sides, okay, so it is called perpendicular bisector. So it is no more circle. There's a major difference between the both. Okay. So have a look now. As usual, what I will do, negative 0 plus 0 iota. Negative common 2 plus 2 iota. So this is I convert this form. Now, what this called point 0, 0. And what is second point? 2, 2. So I will draw a perpendicular bisector using these 2 points. So first, have a look how we can do this thing. So first of all, I make a x-axis and y-axis. Okay, after this, what is the criteria we have? So what is 0, 0? 0, 0 region. So this point is confirmed. This point is confirmed. So this is a 0, 0, correct? Second point is 2, 2, x is 2, y 2. So I'm going to label it. So use a scale and measure from there and like a label properly. Okay, not this big one and this small one. No. All right. Now where's the point 2, 2? 2, 2 is naturally x is 2, y is 2. So somewhere here, because look at here, they meet here somewhere. So it means I draw approximately. Okay. So this is a point 2, 2. All right. So this point, this I got from here. I mean to say I got from here. And this negative is compulsory, as I said before. And this 0, 0 I got from here. All right. After this, whenever we have a square shape, and you know it too, it is a square shape. And whenever we draw a perpendicular sector, it must pass like this. And you know how to make perpendicular bisector? Put needle at this point and make this arc, and put needle at this point, make at this arc. And where they cut, I just show once again. Put needle one time here, okay? And I tell you the line is like this. 100% confirm the line will pass from 2, 2. Okay, this is called perpendicular bisector. You can ask me how you are sure, sir, about it. Reason, whenever, look at here, now I'll give an example here. This point is here and this point is here. So when I put needle at this point and make an R, it become like that, like this. And put needle here, I get this kind of arc. And where they meet these 2 points, we draw a line which is going like this. This line is called perpendicular bisector. I'm sure you got the point very clear. Now, so this is a very clear how I got it, perpendicular bisector. Okay, I have to show this cut. In exam, take compass, put needle here, and then you make it. Okay, this is done. So first part is done. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Second point, he's asking us, find the least modulus. First of all, what is this Z, sir? You know, it is very clear locus which lie is equal. Equal means that all million, trillions, undefined points lie on this green line, representing this locus. So it means on this locus, million, trillion points represent. Which point on this locus is a least modulus? And you know that what is the modulus definition? Modulus definition is at least distance, shortest distance from origin. Shortest distance from origin. This is a definition of okay. So when modulus represent the shortest distance from origin, then student, whether which point you think is shortest from origin? This is O for origin. So do you think this point is the shortest? No, no, wrong. Do you think this point is the closest? No, wrong. This point is the closest? Wrong. Is this point closest? No. So it means we have to draw a perpendicular. So I'm going to make a perpendicular with a black color line. You can understand, inshallah. This even extent goes from the point there. So I will stop here. So this is a 100% confirm and 90-degree here. So this is my target to get X. And all of you familiar because this two and this two same. So this will behave as a square shape. And when I draw a perpendicular, it means 100% this angle is 45 degree. Even this angle is also 45 degree. And most probably in our syllabus, whenever come, these two numbers always equal, always. If they are not equal, then he will not ask you this kind of question. In especially A levels, I'm talking about. Okay. Now, how to get this answer? I'm looking for the Z modulus. So using this right angle triangle, this length is 2, correct? This angle is given by him is pi by 4 or 45 degree. And you know, in front of 90, this length is called hypotenuse. This is a hypotenuse length. In front of angle, this is called opposite, and this is called adjacent. So adjacent by hypotenuse. This calls cos theta. So adjacent is x, hypotenuse is 2, theta is pi by 4. So it becomes root 2 by 2. So cos pi by 4, root 2 by 2. And times 2. It will give us root 2. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, least modulus we're looking for is root 2 or 1.414 if he asks us to 3SF. Sometime he asks us the not modulus. He can ask you the least argument. So least argument understood pi by 4. Why, sir? There are million trillion points lie on it, and every point different angle. For example, this is a 1 point lie on it. I join it. So this is called argument, because argument is the shortest angle from the x-axis. So which point is the shortest angle? Oh, sorry, shortest. No. He can ask you find out the argument of the point which has the least argument, least modulus. Sorry, find out the angle of the point which has least modulus. This kind of question he can ask you. Otherwise, the modulus can be, argument can be different even. For example, this point, even this point is called 0. Why, sir? It lies on x-axis. It has a 0 argument. But anyway, the concept is very, very clear. And let's go for some examples. So student, we have this another example, but this time I brought perpendicular bisector and with a circle, and both together I'm going to make it. And best technique I suggest you, when you have a more than one, even one locus, or more than one locus means loci. So best technique, make a rough idea. Okay, here negative common, alhamdulillah. Okay, what does this mean? This means center is origin 0, 0, because you know it, you can write it, like this even. So both are okay. This is a circle, and this is the upper one is a perpendicular bisector. So let's start. How to solve this one? Okay, first of all, I will make a rough diagrams here. Rough diagram, circle is a confirmed, circle is passes through 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's talk about the perpendicular bisector. Points are very clear. 0, 2. 0, 2 is x0, y2. x0, y2. This is a confirm this point locates here. Okay, I show you green rough idea. This. Second is 1 minus 1. So, along x-axis negative and then come down this way and this way. It means somewhere this is a 1, this is a 1. So this point somewhere here. And this is second locus. This is our target. So I think plan is ready. I always make a first start rough idea. Then I go for the accurate. And now I'm going to do. First of all, my technique. I always make circle first. Then I will make. Okay, this is x-axis, y-axis. I think this is enough. Yeah. So wait a minute, please. So this is clear. Right. Now point is very clear, and I can label this is -2, this is 2, this is 2, this is -2. Now naturally, if I check where is the middle point, okay, so I think so the middle point is somewhere this. Yeah, so middle point is somewhere here. Okay, because this is a 1, this is a 1. So they meet here at this point. Point is very clear. Now I'm going to erase it. Second point is very clear. I know it, which is here. So this point. And I'm going to make a line. Oh, sorry, I did not mention it. This is a dotted line. Why dotted line? Because a less, not equal sign. If this line comes, it means solid line. But if this line is not there, then it must be dotted line. So I will have to make it dotted. So let me make a dotted line. 1 minute, please. This is not easy task for me, but anyway. So I'm going to show you dotted line, clear. And dotted line here ends, there it ends this other side. So I'm erasing the green line, so it's very clear. So this is a line for a perpendicular, this is a, no, there's a point, sorry. Perpendicular sector is not here. Perpendicular sector will be, sorry, this is not a line, so no need to make it anyway. Okay, I'm erasing it now. Why, sir? This is not a perpendicular sector. That I have to make it. How to make it? And then you know. What is technique to make? This is called bisector. How come, sir? Because we got the points and now we'll draw perpendicular bisector. Okay. And what is technique to make it? This line, green line is wrong. Sorry, this green line is wrong. I have to make again. And this is a dotted line. And this is a perpendicular bisector like this. So this is the second line comes. So I'm going to make this now here. Get ready. First of all, I will make a rough, just temporary line I make. This is not a fix. I will rub later on. Okay. Now, where is a perpendicular bisector? I'll use a green color and get ready. Is this one? Check it. Slightly wrong. I think so now. Maybe approximately below, little below. I think so. Now it's okay. Okay. This is a perpendicular bisector. Okay. And I put arrow here. I put arrow here. And this red line is no need to make it. And you can see that this 0, 0, 0, 2 is, this is x 0, 0, y2. And there's a -1, 1 is here. And there's a green line which I made here is perpendicular bisector. And this I have to make dotted line. So I believe you understanding the point of view. Okay, 1 minute, please. Let me complete. Okay, wait a minute. And then I just erase the below line. Okay. So this is a dotted line. Similarly, even also lesser here. It means the big blue circle, we should not make even solid. We have to make it dotted even. Okay. So what is technique now? I think I have one because I'm bound to make a dotted. Okay. In exam, be careful about it. So, so when we have a equal sign is not there, okay, we always make our dotted thing. So point is very clear. After this, okay. Now I'm erasing blue circle. So you can see this one. Alhamdulillah, we got two loci. Now what is the question here? We have to shade. How to shade? I will tell you one thing. Towards lesser point, toward lesser, what the point we have? 0, 2. 0, 2 is where? 0, 2 is here. I repeat again. This mouth is open and this mouth is closed. Will not care about the open mouth. We think about the closed mouth, and towards what the point we have, that point we have to shade. So where this point locates up. So it means this line, this part I will shade. You can see here. So this is my answer for the whole idea. I repeat again. So this is a circle of radius 2 and dotted because there's a less, even less or more equal, this equals income, then we always make a solid circle. So I think the point is completely over.